guys, this is Siddharth from The Edge, and today we'll be revisiting the iPad 1, the gadget that The iPad 1 was the first tablet we got, and Apple set the standard for build quality back in the day. Now, this tablet was made from solid aluminum, glass, and a thin rubber gasket. I mean, this device didn't age that much and still really feels awesome in the end. Now, the buttons haven't showed any signs of wear either. They still work fine. The jack is quite dirty, but other than that, it's awesome. Since the material is aluminum, you will expect to find some nicks and scratches. Other than that, the gasket is the real main problem here. The gasket seems to be coming off and the display creaks in, but other than that, the touch and everything else works fine. And the display is made from Gorilla Glass, so it didn't pick up any scratches. Now the back is also pretty scratch free, and it's just stained in a few places, but it still looks quite new. The speakers and the ports, everything's fine. The operating system running on this right now is iOS 5. Yeah, it's quite slow on the device. It's probably good for browsing, nothing else. One interesting thing to note was that YouTube had no advertisements, so I guess that's a really good point on this device, seeing the fact that YouTube still hadn't split from iOS. Other than that, the device is actually quite slow, so browsing and watching videos is probably the main use for this device. But other than that, apps take a really long time to load. But the device performed quite well, and the thing is, it is still usable today.